Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wireless backup cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the AMTIFO FHDRV wireless backup camera. To make sure there will be a stable signal, this one can operate from a range of 984 feet. The wireless backup camera ensures there will be no interference so that there can be reliable performance. In this, you will find a capacitive touch sensor that offers smooth operation. Additionally, it comes with a large monitor of 7 inches that provides clear vision without any distortion. Furthermore, this supports full HD vision, and it has a built-in record function. It is available in a waterproof design and includes 18 infrared lights. Moreover, you will be able to see clear pictures from different angles, and you don't have to worry about blurring. Moving on at number 4, we have the ZeroXCLUB wireless backup camera kit. This one comes in an easy-to-install design, and it provides you many options. It can turn automatically when you are driving. Moreover, the wireless backup camera does not have any interference so that there can be a smooth performance. It comes with 7 inches monitor that has full HD viewing. Furthermore, you will also find advanced IPS technology that prevents delay. In this, you will find multiple infrared lights that offer superior night vision. Additionally, it has a waterproof construction and features a CCD sensor. It has wide applications and is easy to use. At number 3, we have the Yakry FHD Digital wireless backup camera. Compatible with different types of vehicles, this will meet all your needs. The wireless backup camera can operate without any interference from a range of 60 feet. Additionally, this has a recording function, and it comes with a dual view feature. Moreover, it offers clear images as it supports full HD resolution. You can have easy installation as it allows you to hang it anywhere you want. This has incredible night vision, and it comes with a guideline on and off. It supports 4 channels and is in a waterproof design. Furthermore, you will also find a replaceable and adjustable bracket for having the right angle. At number 2, we have the LeeKulu wireless backup camera. If you are looking to have effortless and safe parking, then this can be the perfect one for you. This has waterproof housing and offers a full HD display. Furthermore, the wireless backup camera is in a multifunctional design, and it comes with amazing night vision ability. You will also find a display of 5 inches that lets you make various adjustments. Additionally, the product has wide compatibility, and it offers interference-free and flicker-free performance. This is available in a complete set so that there can be value for money. Moreover, this prevents overheating with low power consumption. And finally at number 1, we have the DoHonest digital wireless backup camera system. To make sure there will be safe parking, this one delivers reliable performance. The wireless backup camera lets you have easy installation, and it is available in a waterproof design. Moreover, this gives you the advantage of using it with different types of vehicles. It provides you with high-resolution images and can operate from a range of 180 meters. Additionally, this is available in a multifunctional design so that you can easily make various adjustments. Furthermore, it makes sure that there will be a stable signal without any interference. You can also have safe driving, and it makes sure there will be continuous use. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.